Hi, I'm going to introduce myself through this YouTube video. I'm going to be your student teacher starting in January, but I'll be here a few more times before winter break so I can get to know all of you. My name is Miss Ingle. It sounds like Laura Ingalls from Little House on the Prairie. If you don't know what that is, ask your parents or grandparents. It was a TV show based on book series. But anyway, um, I am currently at EMU, College of Education. Before that, I went to Washtenaw. Um, as a total, I've been in college for 6 years because Washtenaw kept canceling my classes. That's a whole different story. But I am so ready to student teach and be in the classroom with you guys. So a little bit about me. I went to Dexter Schools on the other side of Ann Arbor. But I consider Chelsea my hometown. And no, if you know that Jeff Daniels lives there, no, I don't know him. I've seen him a couple times, but I did know his dad growing up, and he was awesome. If you don't know who Jeff Daniels is or wondering like what the heck you're talking about, he is a Emmy winner. He was actually in the Divergent series, I believe the last movie. And probably a little bit more that you guys probably more care about is, am I Marvel or DC? I am so Marvel all the way. I do love or Wonder Woman, and when that came out, I was completely blown away. But I love Captain America. He is my favorite. My favorite TV show is Gilmore Girls. My favorite music is country all the way, and I absolutely love and adore Tim McGraw my entire life. My favorite cartoon is Scooby Doo, the original from the 60s, and my current favorite is The Loud House, which my goddaughter absolutely loves, so we watch it together. Some other facts is I'm a first generation in my mom's family to go to college, and I'm really close with all of them, so it was a huge deal when I got accepted into EMU. I am only the second generation on my dad's side to go to college. My dad was the first, and I'm only the third generation to finish high school. Even though I was raised as an only child, I come from a big family. I have 9 cousins on each side. Between all of them, I have 16 little cousins. I do have a half brother. His name is Chris, but he graduated from high school when I went into kindergarten, so we weren't raised in the same household. So I was considered an only child growing up, which I still kind of consider myself that. I do have one niece and nephew from Chris, Bailey and Xander. Bailey is 10 and Xander is 7, and they are awesome. And I have 2 godchildren, Nevaeh, who is 9, and Hunter, who is 6. But there's something major you guys need to know about me, and I've warned Mr. Slaughter about this. I am completely 100% obsessed with animals. I have animal kids. They do not live with me. I do not technically own them, but I am so in love with all of them, and you guys are going to meet them. So first up, we have the trio. There is Kilo, who is in the upper right-hand corner. Jedi is on the bottom, and I have a video of my favorite boy ever, Obi-Wan.
Obi, say hi. Say hi, Obi. Hi, Obi.
So that is my Obi. He is an Australian Shepherd. He is 6 years old, and I am completely obsessed with him. He is just the bestest boy. And next, we technically have his nephew, Bo, which is my newest bundle of joy. He is about 7 months old, and we met him the first day they brought him home, and I am completely obsessed with him and Obi. And him and Obi are actually technically, in human terms, uncle and nephew. They come from the same breeder, and Bo's mom was actually Obi's sister from the same litter. So he is our new bundle of joy, and I'm obsessed with him. And here is a video from when Bo was, he was only here with us for about a day before this video was taken. And that's my boy Bo. Next up, we have the sisters. This is Piper and Willow. I don't have a video of them because they are currently in Florida barking at alligators and being scared of the pool. But they are my dog-in-laws. They belong to my future in-laws. And Willow is just, she's the sleepy one. She loves to just lay on your lap and just take a snooze with you. Whereas Piper, even though you can't tell it in this picture, is just loves to run around. She has a lamb that she's completely obsessed with, and she's just ready to go on an adventure, and Willow just doesn't quite get it. Next we have Hercules. He is a Pomeranian mix, and I couldn't get a video of him. I tried about 10 times, but he just came out a yellow blur of, lightning fast. So here are some pictures, and the most recent one is the one that I'm holding him. He does only have one eye. He was in an accident, but he was little enough when it happened that he doesn't even realize it now because he grew up with it. He is about 2 years old now, and I love him, but he is feisty. And if you make him mad, he will come after you. He never hurts you, but he just, lets you know that he does not approve. So next is my favorite, one of my favorites. I say that about everybody, but this is my favorite non-dog animals. Is our friends have sugar gliders, and I've watched them quite a bit, and I'm used to handling them, and they are awesome.
Sugar glider friends. So this is Maui, who is on the banana hammock, and his sister, Moana, is on the side of the cage. And there's two more. That's Tinkerbell, and then Rue's usually in way deeper. But they just woke up because they're nocturnal, raccoons and possums. And she probably thinks that I have food, so I'm not going to get too close until their mom feeds them. But here's my buddy. She likes to sit on your shoulder and hang out. Whereas these guys just want to nibble on you for a snack. Say hi, Maui. Say hi. He thinks I've got food. Yep. So there's two different types of species they have. Maui and Moana is one of them, and Rue and Tinkerbell are another. I know you think I have food. I learned that the last time. But I don't. And they do fly. They glide, which is pretty cool. Say hi. Yeah, he's like, you don't have food. I don't.
So those are the sugar gliders. They are awesome. They eat right out of your hand, but you have to be careful because they do like to nibble. So those are all my animal friends. We have one last video from Bo, and you'll see why I couldn't get a good video of him recently because, yeah. But I'm so excited to be in the classroom with you guys, and we're going to have a great semester next semester. And if you just want to, come up and say hi, I would love that. And just, just remind me of your names every time you see me. And we'll have a great, great semester. And I'm so looking forward to it. And here's our final word from our sponsor, Mr. Bo.